think it's my name when I click sign.
No, when you click sign, they'll give you an opportunity to type your. Myself. Okay, David, did we lose Miss Russell?
She's left, Judge.
But didn't she have one more case?
No, that was
Oh,
the
that was
dismissal.
dismissed. That was dismissed. That's right.
Yes.
Yeah, duh.
Judge, I sent you the dismissal.
Okay, I'm looking for it right now on my screen. I see it. I'm going to sign it. Okay. So right here, you would type your name in.
Yeah.
Come on, Paul. Let's see.
I was watching, it looked like on the bond paperwork, PR bond paperwork, it was already populating that name sometimes.
Once you do it once, it'll populate. And then you highlight it.
All right.
Control, copy.
Right.
And then apply. All right. So from now on, just do Control V on all the blanks we need to sign. So then we did all of the.
This is Dionisio Gutierrez.
Are you ready? Are you ready on your guy?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, let me put up his paperwork. Dionisio Gutierrez Barrios. Let me bring up his paperwork. Okay, Arlene, do I need to hit the interpretation buttons again? Okay, all right. And, well, do I need to hit the English? No, it says English only. All right. Okay, sir, can you raise your right hand for me? Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Hey.
Okay, put your hand down. I'm about to share my screen with you. Okay. Is your name Nico Don? How do you pronounce your name? First name. Dionisio. Dionisio Gutierrez Barrios.
Hey.
Are you the same Dionisio Gutierrez Barrios with this cause number 735-133, who's charged with the offense of driving while intoxicated as a first offense? Is that you?
Hey.
For that offense, it is possible. Okay. Jim, this you typed in a class B here, but it's a DWI first is a different range of punishment. Is that a mistake on your part?
I was told it was the DWI first. Is that
okay? So correct? I'm going to correct that.
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay. So you're charged with a DWI first, and it's possible in your case you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 72 hours in jail up to a maximum 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $2,000.
Judge,
you understand?
Judge, Judge, sorry to interrupt. I just want to make sure he was charged with a 0.15 or higher, so it's a class A DWI.
Well, here we go again. All right, so he's charged with a BAC? Is that what he's?
Correct. Yeah. Yes, thank you.
All right, you're charged with driving while intoxicated with a blood alcohol content of 0.15 or more in your body. And it's possible in your case that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 1 year in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $4,000. Do you understand what you're charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Sí.
I'm looking now at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plead by Video that you signed and that your attorney signed. When you signed this document, you told me it was okay to do this by video. We don't have to do it in open court. Is that correct?
Sí.
Looking now at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And you have signed it and your attorney signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Sí.
Did your attorney explain it to you?
Sí.
Do you understand it?
Sí.
Let me sign this document 1 minute. Are you a citizen of this country?
No.
You understand that a plea of guilty or a finding of guilty could affect your immigration status in this country.
Sí.
And by that, I mean, if you have a green card, it's possible you could lose your green card. It's possible you could lose your right to become an American citizen. It is possible that you could be deported. You understand those 3 possibilities?
Sí.
Jim, did you discuss the possible immigration consequences with your client? Does he understand them?
Yes, Your Honor, he does, and I did extensively.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal, and you have signed it and your attorney signed it. When you signed this document, what you did was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain for me with the prosecutor, if you follow this plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Sí.
So then, to the offense of driving while intoxicated with a blood alcohol content of 1.5 or more in your body, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Culpable.
Okay, let's look at your plea paperwork one time. How do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No, no me opongo.
And you understand that on a plea of no contest, the court can still find you guilty.
Sí.
You understand that? You understand that? Hold on 1 minute. Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No.
Besides the plea bargain that your lawyer got for you, has anyone promised you anything in order to get you to do this?
No.
Are you doing this plea of your own free will?
Sí.
Is there a plea bargain? Could I ask the state to please recite the plea bargain if there is one?
Yes, Judge, it's for a $0 fine, court costs, 87 days Bear County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and if it pleases the court, the state asks the judgment be satisfied.
Is that your understanding of the plea bargain in this case, Mr. Oldesdorf?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you agree to this, Mr. Gutierrez Barrios?
Sí.
The court, sir, having heard you plead no contest on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs. I sentence you to 87 days in the Bear County Jail. Give you credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent. The judgment is satisfied. Does your client have an immigration hold on him, Jim?
Yes, he says he does, and in addition, he says he has a prior conviction for the same offense, at least one in the state of Florida for DWI. So I
Okay.
just want to make sure that was on the record.
Okay, well, as far as this case is concerned, this case is over with, but you still have an immigration hold maybe, and you may have some other cases holding you. Good luck to you, sir. All right.
Yes, thank you, Judge. I'll be waiting on the felony stuff on the.
Yeah, and we'll do it almost immediately. Let me turn off YouTube though. 1 minute. I'm gonna go over here and turn off.